Following the latest syllabus, question patterns and marks distribution prescribed by NCTB for HSC exam, Panjari Publications Limited has published HSC Young Learners Communicative English Model Questions First Paper book for classes 11 and 12. Now, let's see the main features of the book. The book has been arranged in three parts. Part A, Reading Test, Part B, Writing Test, and Part C, Model Questions. Part A, Reading Test. Reading test includes scene comprehension, supplementary practice on information transfer, flowchart and poem summary, cloze test and rearranging sentences. Scene comprehension. Covering all the necessary lessons of the textbook, total 81 scene comprehension questions have been included in this book. Students will find here a rich collection of questions of all the test items suggested by NCTB. The practice of these questions will certainly make a learner competent to cope with any questions in the examination. Supplementary practice. Supplementary part will provide the learners with an opportunity of practicing more test items on information transfer and making flowchart. Learners will also have all the textual poems and their summaries here. Cloze test with clues and cloze test without clues. Both textual and non-textual cloze test questions have been included in this part. The non-textual cloze test questions include previous board exam questions and test exam questions of renowned colleges. The book contains 222 cloze test with clues questions and 144 cloze test without clues questions. To make the practice easier, meanings of difficult words have been added to each of the cloze test questions. In order to make this test item understandable to the learners, unique rules and tips and answer analysis of some important questions have been given here. Rearranging sentences. This book contains 120 rearranging sentences test items. These test items have been produced by analyzing the previous board questions and test exam questions of renowned colleges. Part B, Writing Test. All the writing test items fixed by NCTB for HSC examination have been included in this book. This book contains 110 paragraphs, 70 completing stories, 50 informal letters, 44 emails, 50 graphs and charts, 69 appreciating short stories and poems questions. Part C, Model Questions. The book contains 100 model questions in total. 50 model questions have been prepared according to NCTB sample questions and another 50 model questions have been given based on the renowned colleges questions. Learners can practice more model questions using the internet link mentioned in the book. Supportive grammar. Apart from all these materials, supportive grammar has been included in this book. In this part, students will have all the necessary grammar items. In order to make the practice of this book easier for the learners, Panjari Publications Limited has published Key to HSC Young Learners Communicative English Model Questions Paper 1. Students will have this book free with the main book. It is really a complete practice book that contains all the elements necessary for an HSC examinee. This exceptional practice book is now available in the market. মেধা ও মননশীলতার বিকাশে পাঞ্জেরি।